Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics Den. So in this video we are going to discuss a very important transparency property which can be very useful while we are printing or we are designing for printing. So let us see. So what I have done is I have drawn couple of rectangles and with different colors, and if you want to know the color codes I will just show you. So these are the color codes for these particular rectangle colors, but they don't really matter because what I'm going to do is now I'm going to draw an ellipse using the ellipse tool. Now using the curvature tool I'm going to double click over here on both the points. So this kind of shape is created and I'm going to color it with white color. And as we are going to discuss a very important transparency property, I'm going straight to the opacity panel and I'm going to change the blending option. I'm keeping it to overlay, then keep the opacity to 40%. So we have increased the transparency. Now using the rotation tool I'm just simply going to press R, and using Alt key I'm going to define the axis of rotation, Alt and click, so this panel will appear. Now I'm going to rotate it by 12 degrees, minus 12 degrees, and press on copy, and now simply press Ctrl D or Command D to get the copy or repeat. So this kind of shape is created, a floral shape. Now I'm going to select this, deselect this one, and using the Alt key I'm going to copy this. Now as you can see, the shape itself, it doesn't have a particular color because of the properties that we have applied to it, which are transparency and the blending option that we have just changed. So the color changes according to the background. So if we put it on a different background, the color is different. So we don't want that. Let's say if you want this particular shade and color, and sometimes when we want when we keep the transparency value at a high transparency value high, then it is difficult or it is impossible to print for some printers. So we have to keep the transparency value at a certain point so that it is visible after printing. So it is really important. So let's say what we have to do if we want this exact color shading and we don't want any difference when we print this particular shade. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this, both the shapes with the background, and I'm going to copy this, Alt and drag. So this is how it looks. Now for this particular reason we have a very important property in the object panel. So we have already selected both the object, this particular group, and the background as well. And after going to object, this is a very important property, and this particularly created or is there for this particular matter. So flatten transparency. Now these are the very important values. Keep this raster vector balance to 100%. This is very important. So after we have converted this to a vector, these values don't really matter, but this particular value, preserve alpha transparency, this is the most important value in this particular panel. So keep this on. Unless you keep this on, this effect won't work. So keep this on, preserve alpha transparency, check the box and press OK. Now as you can see, I'll ungroup this, and if I select this particular group and I'll place it outside the box, as you can see the color hasn't changed. When we compare it with this particular shape, if I place it downward, so as you can see the color changes like this, the color changes, but in this case the color remains the same, and that is exactly what we are looking for, especially when we are looking to print our design. So it is very important to know this property. Many people might not know this property, but just keep in mind this particular option, it is very important. So keep this property in mind when you are going to print your design. So hopefully this information is useful for you, and if you do like the video, give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye and cheers.